Dear students, welcome to the first class of physics of class 8th, and you are all in 8th B session, I suppose. For 8th B I am taking physics, and now we will start with the first lesson, matter. Okay, so first topic in matter is kinetic theory of matter. The kinetic theory of matter explains the microscopic properties of molecules and their interactions in the matter. That is the main concept of kinetic theory. What is it? Explains the microscopic properties of molecules and their interactions in the matter. So only two things are there. These two things you have to underline. What is that? Microscopic properties of molecules and their interactions in the matter. This is the kinetic theory. It explains about the minute things, smallest, even microscopic properties means even the smallest things about the matter is explained in the kinetic theory of molecules, of matter. This theory also helps to understand the properties of matter such as pressure, volume, temperature, etc. So it is dealing with the minute properties, microscopic properties of molecules and their interactions, and the different properties of matter such as pressure, volume, temperature. This theory also helps to explain why matter exists in different states such as solid, liquid or gases. Why? This is some particles are solid, some are in liquid state and some are in gaseous state. So all these things will be explained on the basis of kinetic theory of matter. So now we will go to kinetic. Now we will go to the main aspects of the theory. So what is the first one? Matter is made up of very, very small particles, namely atoms and molecules. What is matter? Matter is microscopic particles made up of atoms and molecules. Not atom alone, but molecules also. Atoms or molecules, atoms and molecules. Matter is made of a very, very small particles, namely atoms and molecules. So next aspect is there are empty space between particles of matter. When something is arranged, there's empty space. These empty spaces between the molecules get progressively larger as the sample of matter moves from the solid to the liquid and gas phases. So you see here, the picture is given. So here you see these particles are arranged very nicely and there is very less space in solids. Now in gaseous form liquid form, the particles are arranged but there is intermolecular space. And in gaseous form the particles are very loosely packed. So you in 6th class and 6th to 7th and you have learned what is the main properties of solid, liquids and gas. In solids the particles are very tightly packed, liquids loosely packed, and gaseous form it is very loosely packed. So as it moves from solid to liquid, the intermolecular space increases, and then liquid to gas again it increases. That is the second thing. The empty space between the particles, there are empty space. As it moves from solid to liquid and liquid to gas, the empty space become more or increases. And now third one is there are attractive forces among atoms or molecules called intermolecular forces. So this you have to underline. What is intermolecular forces? The attractive force between the atoms or molecules is called intermolecular forces. Inter means between. In the school, inter-class, between the classes, inter-class competitions, inter-school competition. Inter-school competitions means between the schools. Inter-class means between the classes, between the sections, different sections. Now when intermolecular means between the molecules. So intermolecular forces, the force of attraction between the atoms or molecules are called intermolecular forces. Underline it. And these forces become stronger as particles come closer. When the particles are, so it is normal, no? When we keep things together, the force of attraction also will be more. When we bring something near the magnet, the force of attraction will be more. So now listen, all particles have kinetic energy which varies depending on the temperature of the sample of the matter. Kinetic energy means the energy due to motion. There are two types of energies, kinetic energy and potential energy. Those things in details we will learn later, but here we will learn about kinetic energy. All the particles have kinetic energy which varies, depends on temperature of the sample of the matter. Okay, as per the temperature increases, kinetic energy also increases. Temperature decreases, kinetic energy decreases. Okay. This decides whether the substance exists in solid, liquid or gaseous state. So, molecules according to the kinetic energy of the matter. If you know the kinetic, how much kinetic energy a particle has or a substance has, we can say in which state it will be, whether it is in liquid, solid state or liquid state or gaseous state. Okay. Molecules in the solid phase have least amount of energy. In solid state, they are tightly packed. They have very less amount of energy.